Today's discussion about diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a kind of disorder due to deficiency of insulin hormone in our body. In this disease, blood glucose level raised, which is known as hyperglycemia. Now, at first it is better to know about insulin hormone. Insulin is a kind of hormone secreted from beta cells of pancreatic islets. This hormone regulates the metabolism of food like carbohydrate, protein, fat, etc. by promoting the absorption of glucose from blood into liver, fat muscles of our body. Usually, it occurs chiefly in middle-aged individuals equally to suffer both sexes. It may run in families, that is, a kind of hereditary disease. Physical and mental stress and strain may not be excluded as a cause of diabetes mellitus. Types. Diabetes mellitus may be divided into two types. Number 1, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus IDDM or type 1. Number 2, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus NIDDM or type 2. Actually, diabetes causes due to lack of insulin hormone or presence of insulin antagonists in our body. Due to lack of insulin, blood sugar level rises, and when it crosses the renal threshold level of 180 mg per 100 cc of blood, when sugar may pass through urine, which is known as glucosuria. Symptoms. Polyuria, which means amount of urine increases in 24 hours more than normal, which is due to excessive glucose in urine, acts as a diuretic. Polydipsia means excessive thirst, excessive hunger, rapid emaciation, dryness of mouth and throat, constipation or hard stool. An affected person may easily diagnose hyperglycemia by checking his fasting blood sugar, that is FBS level, and postprandial blood sugar, that is PPBS level. Normal FBS level 100 mg per deciliter of blood, normal PPBS level 140 mg per deciliter of blood. If diabetes mellitus is untreated, number of complications may arise. Vascular complications like atherosclerosis, renal complications like pyelonephritis, sexual and genital complications like impotency, ocular complications like diabetic cataract, diabetic retinopathy, etc. Skin complications. Skin infection is very common due to sugar in tissues and sweat, which acts as a good media for bacterial growth causing boils, carbuncles, fungal infections. Management and diet. Try to control hyperglycemia, that is lowering glucose level in blood, prevent complications, maintenance of appropriate body weight. Obese persons ought to be given reduced diet. On other hand, lean and thin persons give weight gaining diet. Add fibrous vegetables like leafy vegetables. Add fruits like apple, oranges, kiwi, strawberry, apricot in your diet. Regular exercise, regular walking at least 20 to 40 minutes, either in morning or in evening. Homeopathic medicines like Syzygium jambolinum, Gymnema sylvestra, and many more medicines are there. As homeopathic treatment based on signs and symptoms, it required to consult your physician for best results. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.